Picture this. You're dreaming of dazzling your audience with jaw-dropping animations, vibrant characters dancing across the screen, slick motion graphics for your YouTube channel, or a whimsical cartoon for your side hustle, all without draining your wallet or spending years mastering animation software. In 2025, AI tools make this fantasy a reality, turning novices into animation wizards on a shoestring budget. These budget-friendly AI platforms, with free plans or affordable trials, automate complex tasks like character design, rigging, and rendering, letting you create professional-grade animations in minutes. Buckle up for a fun ride as we explore 5 of the best AI tools for creating stunning animations on a budget. Why AI animation tools are a game changer? Gone are the days when animation required a Hollywood budget or a PhD in 3D modeling. AI animation tools are like having a magic wand. They simplify workflows, generate assets from simple prompts, and churn out visuals that rival Pixar on a lemonade stand budget. Whether you're crafting YouTube intros, TikTok cartoons, or animated explainer videos for clients, these tools cut production time by up to 70%, letting you focus on storytelling and creativity. From quirky 2D characters to slick 3D motion, Graphics AI makes animation accessible, affordable, and downright fun. Let's dive into the top tools that'll have you animating like a pro while keeping your piggy bank intact. Krikey AI, your 3D animation playground. Krikey AI is like a digital toy box for creating 3D animations, perfect for quirky cartoons or gaming-inspired shorts. Its free plan lets you craft character-driven videos without any animation experience, and the drag-and-drop interface feels like playing a video game. Krikey's AI animation generator turns text or video into character movements, while customizable avatars let you tweak outfits, hairstyles, and accessories. Voice AI dubs audio in multiple languages, and templates make starting a breeze. To get rolling, visit Krikey AI and sign up for free. Click Animation Maker, pick a 3D character, and customize it, say a ninja with a funky mohawk. Enter a script like "Ninja battles robot in a neon city," or upload a short video for the AI to animate in 1-2 minutes. Add a voiceover, tweak the scene with the editor, and export as a 916 MP4 for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Krikey's playful vibe and team collaboration features make it a blast for creators who want unique, budget-friendly animations that pop. Runway, the motion graphics. Maestro. Runway is your go-to for slick motion graphics and dynamic animations, with an AI that feels like it's reading your creative mind. Its free plan offers enough firepower to create eye-catching title sequences or promotional clips, and the browser-based platform means no hefty software downloads. Runway's Gen 2 model generates animations from text prompts, while tools like green screen removal and AI video enhancement polish your work. To start, head to runwayml.com and sign up for free. Select text to video and type a prompt like glowing neon logo spinning in space. Watch the AI whip up a 10-second clip in 1 to 2 minutes. Tweak colors, add animated text, or composite it onto another video in the editor. Export as an MP4 and upload to YouTube or Instagram Reels. Animaker, the 2D animation party. Starter, Animaker, is like a carnival for 2D animation, bursting with colorful characters and templates that make creating cartoons a joyride. Its free plan includes access to thousands of assets, perfect for explainer videos or social media shorts. Animaker's AI-driven features like auto lip sync and smart move animations bring characters to life with minimal effort. To dive in, visit animaker.com and sign up for free. Choose Create Video and pick a template, like a business explainer or funny cartoon. Customize a character, maybe a cheerful barista with a coffee cup, and drag it onto the canvas. Add a script for auto lip sync, select a background, e.g. Cozy Cafe, and let Animaker animate in 2 to 3 minutes. Add text or effects, then export as a 16:9 MP4 for YouTube. Platagon, the storytelling sorcerer. Platagon is your storytelling sidekick, turning scripts into animated short films with a cinematic flair. Its free tier offers pre-built characters and scenes, perfect for narrative-driven content like mini-movies or educational videos. Platagon's AI voice synthesis and auto-animation make it feel like directing a movie without a film crew. To get started, go to platagon.com and sign up for free. Select Create Story, Choose a character, e.g., a quirky detective, and pick a scene like a rainy city street. Write a short script, such as, "Detective solves a mystery," and let Platagon's AI generate voices and animations in 2-3 minutes. Adjust camera angles or add music in the editor, then export as an MP4 for YouTube. Cartoon Animator, the character animation champ. Cartoon Animator, formerly 𝐃𝐨𝐧'𝐭 is a powerhouse for crafting 2D and 3D character animations, blending pro-level features with a budget-friendly free trial. Its AI-driven auto animation and facial rigging let you create expressive characters without years of training. To begin, visit cartoonanimator.com, download the free trial, and install it. Open the software, select a character template, e.g. a superhero, and customize its look. Think cape and goggles. Add keyframes. For actions like flying or punching, then choose a background like a city skyline, offering a playground for epic, budget-conscious creations. Which tool steals the show? Krikey AI takes the crown for its playful 3D animation capabilities and free plan, making it the best all-around choice for budget-conscious creators. Its ease of use and vibrant output are perfect for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Runway shines for motion graphics, delivering pro-level visuals for branding or promos. Animaker's 2D charm is unbeatable for fun, colorful cartoons, while Platagon excels at narrative-driven shorts. Cartoon Animator is the go-to for detailed character work, but requires a slight learning curve. For most creators, Krikey AI's balance of simplicity, versatility, and cost-free makes it the star, though combining tools, Krikey for characters, Runway for effects, yields blockbuster results. How to create stunning animations. Pick a tool based on your goal. Krikey AI for 3D cartoons, Runway for motion graphics, Animaker for 2D fun, Platagon for stories, or Cartoon Animator for detailed characters. Visit the tool's website, e.g. Krikey AI, runwayml.com, and sign up for a free plan or trial. Customize visuals, voiceovers, or effects in the editor. Think neon lights or bouncy text. Export as a 16:9 MP4 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok, ensuring 15-60 seconds for shorts or 1 to 5 minutes for full videos. Create a thumbnail in canva.com, upload to YouTube with hashtags, animation or cartoon, and a keyword-rich description. Conclusion: creating stunning animations on a budget is a blast with AI tools like Krikey AI, Runway, Animaker, Platagon, and Cartoon Animator. Krikey AI leads for its free, playful 3D animations, while Runway dazzles with motion graphics, Animaker brings 2D joy, Platagon crafts stories, and Cartoon Animator nails character depth. Start with Krikey for ease, mix tools for variety, and post consistently to grow your audience. Whether it's a TikTok cartoon or a YouTube explainer, these tools turn your ideas into animated magic without emptying your wallet. Visit Krikey AI or Animaker.com today. Unleash your inner animator and watch your creations light up the internet. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more content. Thank you.